Safe hybrid cobots using innovative collision-tolerant clutch and torque sensing. In any manufacturing environment where robots and humans work together, safety is a major concern. Robots tend to be caged and surrounded by a number of safety measures. Cobots tend to move at a slower pace and incorporate numerous safety measures. Flanders Make has developed a new type of hybrid robot that combines the advantages of a cobot and a high-speed industrial robot, safely switching between a high-speed mode and a slower collaborative pace. The unique patented overload clutch design can disengage the robot's joint in the event of a collision, protecting the drivetrain hardware. The clutch is also capable of retaining sufficient residual torque to prevent the robot from collapsing under its own weight when disengaged, and can even self-reset after a collision. Developed using low-cost sensors, our hybrid robot is up to 5 times cheaper than the latest strain gauge versions.